Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to your debit card. We will show you how to exact steps to request a withdrawal and ensure a smooth transaction. So let's get started. Before withdrawing, keep these key rules in mind. You can withdraw funds to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or a debit card previously used for deposit. If you haven't deposited using a debit card before, you may need to withdraw to your debit card first. To withdraw to money to debit card, follow these steps. Open the Prizepicks app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. If using a browser, the menu is in the top right. Select request withdrawal, then choose your debit card as the withdrawal method. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. After submitting your withdrawal request, you will receive a one-time password code via email. Prizepicks will also send a follow-up email to confirm whether your withdrawal was successful. If your withdrawal to debit card is unsuccessful, ensure you previously deposited with a debit card. Double check that your debit card details are correct and contact Prizepicks support for further assistance. And that's how you can withdraw your Prizepicks winnings to your debit card. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.